Start by clicking on the Add icon. Select Create Batch and get started with filling in your details. Select the batch type, format, and even add a custom description for the batch. Fill in your fees per session, which links back to your invoice for this batch. Next, let's schedule your batch. Here, you can select the recurring frequency of the batch, days of the week, data range, and time slot for your sessions. Additionally, if your batch doesn't have a set end date, you can select the ongoing option and simply change the start date based on your requirement. You can then add a location, which may be a video meeting link or even a physical address on maps. Then add any existing students you may have for this batch. Otherwise, click the Add Later button. Once you are done, simply click Create and your batch is successfully created.